Bardos gamit na swimming. Oh.
We're driving on the water. We're driving on the water. We're driving on the water. We're driving on the water.
Dati ay pa dumati sa kabila. Swimming na pala dito.
But the water stopped. Some people were just splashing in. Yes, we're driving on the water. Driving on the water. Like that.
Swimming muna tayo.
Ito!
Baba muna tayo dyan.
Sige, sa hangin beaches.
May ilog eh.
Why are they making a bridge? Because of this water? They're making a bridge. Finally, we're out of the river.
Hindi pwede ang loob.
We're out of the river. Luckily, we didn't have that over there. Maybe they're gonna build a resort here. Dad.
Another one.
Oh no!
Ang paas pa kada ko swimming
Dad,
na.
I think they're gonna build a resort here. A swimming resort for everyone. Even for cars. A swimming place for cars. Aww. Kids can swim there. But cars can swim here.
Shorty's Adventure.
Dito yung pagbalik natin ganito.
Another.
Maraming alam na rin si Daddy. Ate,
Dad,
dahil mo alam na taan eh.
I think it was
Ano ka ba nga? Nag-waste ka ba nga?
There's a waterfall. There's a waterfall.
Hindi alam ni Waze ko, pinapabalik na nga ni Waze sa ano siya.
Finally, we're out. Again. We're out again. Finally, there's a water.
Ayan, ang dami din ka.
Dad, are we not at 4A anymore?
Yan, mga kabiyaherong ano, dadaan sa Wow. Baba namang GN highway. Baba na.
Car. Central
A
Administrative
car.
Region. You know,
Car.
NC, Manila, NCR, this is car.
A car. Maybe there will be another
There's so many
river
rocks.
again.
May bibili. Ulit ka na ulit.
Can't see you.
I'm still looking.
A little
Tulog na
bit.
yung shorty. Matulog ka na.
Maybe there's gold there. Yeah, there's maybe gold there. Why is that ground so dry? It's cracked. It's cracked.
Ang tawag dito? Cannon Road.
Dad, why is the ground cracky there? Is it too dry? Water must be there. Dad, what happens if water goes on a cracked, dry ground? What will happen to the cracked, dry ground? It will be not cracked anymore?
Akala ko Waze. Land Cruiser na nakakita ko ito.
Just that cracky
Patrol
ground?
pala, nag-picture pa siya yun.
Nagpidyo sa daan, sabi niya. Sulitin daw niya yung daan. Nagpicture muna siya.
Ay, ikaw gusto ng picture sa daan.
Bakit? Wala ba tayo nasa likod?
Parada ko doon.
Huwag na naman, diretso mo na. Pipicture ka.
Si Mami.
Ay, wag na nga. Natatakot si mami sa daan dito. Video na lang.
So that's enough.
So, bibili ka bet ko tulog tuyo. Manonood daw siya ng ayaw matulog.
Alam mo kung bakit kita naman artist? Kasi the road trip, oh. Lunch na. Lunch na.
This is the one from Daddy's one when I'm playing.
So, sabi nga, this is the one in Daddy's cellphone while I'm playing. Sabi, may nakita siyang ganito kagandang view.
Nakita mo.
Sabi niya, this is yung sa cellphone mo daw, nandun naglalaro siya. Siguro yung wallpaper mo yung ganito. Ayoko dyan. Sabi niya, sa cellphone mo daw yung ganyang view. Baka na Facebook ka bibili.
That turkey grounds are quite because it's more like there's an earth. Kuya. This is the bed is a pony. Dad, does L mean you're going under something?
No, it means it's very steep. So, you better be sure.
Logger.
Just to make it, just to be sure.
Two?
There's also a load.
Except not so steep.
Dalap siya sa Ate Pogi kahit ano eh. Uy, yung akin nga pala di yung mga alak daddy. Bawal daw makalaw ay.
But 3D is just a normal driving.
Talaga si Pogi.
Force for what?
What?